Hello everyone, how to Tuts. So back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to add favorite genre on your BandLab Make Music Online website or application. So you can see this is the interface of BandLab. Uh, you can follow this step and make it on your application also. So what you need to do, you need to click here on your profile icon and then click the settings option. Then scroll down. Then here you'll see the option favorite genres. So like which type of genres you like and what's your favorite genres. You can add up to one, up to 10 or more. So I'm just going to click hip hop or pop, rock, folk, classical. So you can choose like electronics, jazz, metal. So after that, once you're done, then simply click the update and go back your profile to check either it's add or not. So if you scroll down, then here you can see favorite genre. So you'll get all the genre you already added here. It's listed here. So this way you can add your favorite genre on BandLab Make Music Online application or website. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.